Bivariate statistics with categorical variables. In this part, we will discuss three types of bivariate statistics. Independent sample t-test. An independent sample t-test assesses whether the means of two groups are statistically differ from each other. To properly conduct such test, the following conditions should be met. The dependent variable should be continuous. The independent variable should consist of mutually exclusive groups. Examples: male and female. All observations should be independent, which means that there should not be any linkage between observation. That means there should not direct influence from one value within one group over other values in this group. There should not be many significant outliers. The dependent variable should be more or less normally distributed. The variances between groups should be similar. For example, at data, we might be interested to know whether boys score more marks in aptitude tests than girls. In this case, our dependent variable would be mark score and our independent variable is gender. We have relative independence of observation, as we cannot assume that the marks one individual in sample scored directly hints upon the marks another individual in the sample score. The independent sample t-test confirms the hypothesis. It is based on the p-value which is derived out of the one sample t-test. If the p-value is less than 0.05, we statistically prove that there is a significant difference between the categories. Here in our example, the difference is among the gender. Otherwise, there is no significant difference among the groups. F-test or one-way ANOVA. T-test work with two variables, but sometimes we have categorical variables with more than two categories. In case where we have a continuous variable paired with variable with more than two categories, we have to opt for F-test or one-way ANOVA. The logic behind ANOVA is similar to the logic for a t-test. The descriptive statistics also give us a hint that there is a probability of statistical significance among groups. If the test statistic provides a statistically significant value, that means the p-value is less than 0.05, then we have to reject null hypothesis of equal variances and accept the alternative hypothesis that the variance between groups are unequal. That means there is a significant difference among the groups. The F-test further reveals that there are in fact differences between groups. However, the F-test does not allow us to detect where the differences lies. In order to understand that, we have to conduct a multiple comparison test. So far we have discussed bivariate variable, tests that work with categorical variable as the independent variable and a continuous variable as the dependent variable. If there are only two groups in the categorical variable, we will be going for t-test. If more than two groups, then we will be going for ANOVA test. What happens if both the independent and dependent variables are categorical in nature? In that case, we have to go for a crosstab. Chi-square test can be performed in order to answer the researchers' questions to identify the pattern of association among these groups. However, chi-square test can perform only if the expected count in each cell is more than 5. And the association can be statistically proved if the p-value is less than 0.05.